Hello everyone, welcome to Govianu Svaasa resort. This is one of our premium upcoming project and also it's situated in Joldal, Chikmagalur. And trust me, it's truly something special. This entire property covers of a 107 acres lush green where it is surrounded by a silver oak trees, coffee and also a pepper. And the best part is, now you can own a coffee estate only for 90 lakh. And also a free complimentary stay at our premium Svaasa resort. Now if you are thinking on a more on returns, now you can buy a premium villa where we are offering 15% interest annually and also you'll get other benefits from Govianu. All you have to do is just give a missed call to 808833 0330.